Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm filming another paint with me. I have started doing monthly paint with me videos where I paint a random painting and have a bit of a discussion with you guys. I have previously filmed another 2 paint with me videos, so they will all be linked in a playlist in the description and in the iCards, so make sure to check that out if you enjoy this video. For today's painting I've got this drawing of a balcony door type thing that I drew a few weeks ago. It was inspired by an illustration I saw on Pinterest. If arty and lifestyle content is your type of thing, I post twice a week, every Monday and Thursday, so why not subscribe and join the crew if that is your type of thing. Hi from VoiceOver Me. Before I get started, I do want to apologise for any background noise. There's currently a fire near where I live and there's fire engines passing by. They need to put it out. So yeah, I do apologise for any background noise, but it has to be done. Anyway, I started off the painting by putting down a base layer and I absolutely hated how this turned out. I hated this colour, so you'll see I redo it in a bit. But yeah, I saw this technique on TikTok actually where you mix acrylics with water to create a base colour, and that's what I was trying to do, but it was my first time ever testing that out, so it didn't go that well. So I'm not going to explain what I'm doing in the video throughout this voiceover. I just wanted to have a bit of a chat with you guys, catch up, you know. To be completely honest with you, I don't really have a plan of what I'm going to say. Here's me struggling to think of what I'm going to say. I tried so hard to come up with some topics to talk about in this video, so yeah, if you have any ideas of what I could talk about in the future, I would love to hear your opinions and get your input. But yeah, so it was recently A-level results day in England and it was definitely a very unfair grading system. There's actually even protests going on because of it. So if you do participate in these protests, then please stay safe and be careful. And if you happen to be resitting exams this autumn, there's a bunch of people on Twitter volunteering themselves to tutor for A-levels and share their notes. I will try and find some threads and link them in the description of this video. I mean, I would volunteer myself, but I didn't do A-levels, so I don't think I'd actually be that much help. But yeah, I'll definitely try and find some of the threads that I was talking about and share them with you in the description of this video. So my mum just called me for lunch, so yeah, I had lunch and I am back now. And I still don't know what to say. I really should have planned this video a bit better. Trust me, I tried. I've been trying to come up with things to talk about for the past 3 days and I've gotten nowhere, to be honest. I love that. Can you hear the dog barking? She's barking at the aeroplanes and the firefighters and the fire engines. She thinks that it's her duty to scare them away. Anyway, I was just thinking to myself, I have done quite a few voiceovers in the past few videos, and I know that's a bit of a strange thing to say, but I actually used to hate doing voiceovers with a passion, and a few videos ago I desperately needed a voiceover, so I recorded one, and after that I'm kind of let it go. It's not as bad as I remember it. Don't get me wrong, I still don't enjoy recording voiceovers, but they're not as daunting as they seemed, and I am not as scared of them anymore. I'm not convincing you, am I? But compared to like my first videos where I used to do some voiceovers, they were awful and I just quickly gave up on them, to be honest, and I filmed videos that didn't need a voiceover. On the topic of videos, I am actually kind of struggling with video ideas. I've committed to posting twice a week and I've got a bit of a content calendar where I just keep track of what videos I'm going to post each week. And although I've got video ideas for next week and the week afterwards, I have nothing for this Thursday, and it's currently Monday. So you can tell I'm kind of panicking, and I kind of need to urgently film and edit a video for Thursday, and I have absolutely no ideas. So if there's a video you'd like to see either on Thursday or in the future, then definitely let me know. And I would simply just record one of the other videos, but I need more time to actually film those videos, and they're going to take a bit longer to prepare. So that is why I'm not moving them forward, and also I don't have everything I need for them. But yeah, some exciting content is coming your way. I just don't know what I'm doing this week. And yeah, I've also got so many video ideas for when I go back to England. It's just a bit of a struggle filming here because I don't have access to like big craft stores and stuff, so I can't really buy supplies, and I can't really order online because I live in a very distant area from mainland Greece. So yeah, even though I can order stuff online, it takes forever to arrive, and it's just a bit of a hassle, to be honest. So yeah, that's one thing I'm excited about when I go back to England, all the new content that I can film. But probably by the time I get there, I won't want to film those videos anymore. I don't know, I'm just like that. I think of video ideas and then I overthink them, and then I don't want to film them anymore. But yeah, when I go back to England, I will be moving into my new room for university, and I'm so excited to film like a bedroom transformation video. I know so many people enjoy watching them, and I do too, and I think it would be a cool video to post on my channel. And yeah, so I'm super excited for the content coming up. I want to film some thrift hauls and just some exciting content like that. And yeah, as I said before, please do let me know if you have any ideas. I would love to know what videos you want to watch and incorporate them into the schedule. I really want to make content that you enjoy watching and that I enjoy filming. So yeah, of course, please do let me know in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see in particular, or what videos of mine do you prefer watching. Do you like these chatty paint with me videos? Because I really enjoy filming them, and I would love to make this a long-term series. We can talk about things that are more important, or we can have more casual chats like this one. I feel like this style of videos can be a very good way for us to get to know each other. I can express my thoughts and you can respond and share your own in the comments. Yeah, I would absolutely love to keep this going. I think that actually brings us to the end of this voiceover. I don't have much longer left. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I'll pass you on to past me when I filmed the outro. So a couple of hours later, and I have finished the painting. This is what it looks like, and I'm actually quite happy with it because I thought it was a disaster at the beginning. As you would have heard in the voiceover, I wasn't really happy with the background colour, but I actually think it's alright now. I kind of rectified it. So yeah, this is the final product, and I really hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then why not give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me what I should talk about in my next arts and chats video. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I will hopefully see you in my next video on Thursday. Bye!
Yeah, I would
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there.